Good morning. Okay, we're in a new house. We're having our new coffee. We're having some issues with power. Wonderful. It's San Angelo, Texas. It's just below freezing. And there's snow on the ground for the first time since we've been here. We just got here a month and a half ago. And anyway, there's issues around the house, so I'm going to start fixing this morning. One of them is this drawer and this one, which don't open very easily. We had the cabinet maker come out, and he was just beside himself. He didn't know how to fix that. It won't shut. And when it's shut, you can't open it. By the way, these drawers are designed so that they don't have handles. You just have an edge here. So what I'm going to do today is try to fix this. Let me show you what I think is happening. We have the drawer, and it stops about that much shy. So that means it's pinching in the back. These are not soft closures. So what I have to do, I have to pull up a little, or push down on this tab, and there's one I pull up on this side. The drawer comes out. Then, I've got a handy light in there. These brackets here are the glides. They go in, they work smoothly, there's no problem there. But what's happening, back here, this has got a piece of metal on it that makes it a lot easy to adjust in and out. But the problem with that is, it spaces it away from the wall by about a 1/16 of an inch, maybe a little less. And there's one on each side. So what's happening is it's pinching in the back because of those brackets. So I'm just going to take those brackets off. There's holes already here. I'll just put screws in those holes, and that'll be how the back of it's mounted. I'll take this bracket off, or the metal bracket I mean, on both sides. And that, I think, will give me the clearance that it needs to not jam up like it is. Let's see how we go. I'm going to pre-drill the holes first of where the screws are going to be relocated. That's roughly the right place. Now I can take those screws off back there. You put the spacer right here. Power went off again. Wonderful cabinetry making. It's like he's doing target practice in here. Okay, so we've got this bracket, and I think that should just slide off of there. There we go. Okay, call that good. Not here. There we go. Need this little shim. Okay, that works. Now we'll do the other side. Okay. See how that works. my God. Well, there you go. One fixed drawer. All because these brackets, the two of them together, the combination of that thickness, made it bind up in the back of the trap. So, I just got to do that to this drawer now. Well, the drawer on the other side is not the same issue. Let me show you. See how those do not align? The far one is not aligned with the one in the front. This one's pretty level. This is the one that was closest to the camera. Look how far off that bubble is. So that bracket there isn't really the problem. It's just too high up. I need to lower it. And I think this one will not bind the drawer anymore. Well, first thing I'm going to do is mark where it is. And I'll try to lower it. It's got to lower quite a ways. So that's the bottom, but I think I'm going to have to be down to here to make it line up. So see how we go with that. I think what I might do is I'll put a screw hole here. I just lowered it from that point to that point. And the level is showing me pretty much where it needs to be. Good enough for now anyways. This is just a trial. I don't think you're going to see that too much when they're misaligned from the side. So I'll fix that in permanently and then try the drawer. That's all it was. So the professional cabinet maker, look out for your contractors because their care factor is not so good sometimes.